Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you all to your favorite vegetarians channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for returning to watch our beautiful videos. In today's video, it's a nice delicacy and you're gonna love it. Sit back, relax and enjoy it. It's mashed ripe plantain and it's termed eto in Ghana. Let's get right into it. For the ingredients, I have some peanuts, scallions or spring onions, diced wagashi, some salt, red or palm oil, peanut butter. I have red habaneros, avocado, one large onion, green bell pepper, and my ripe plantain. Peanuts are rich in protein, fats, and fiber. Most of the fats they contain are known as good fat and it helps lowers your cholesterol levels. Peanuts are also an excellent source of magnesium. I start off by peeling my already washed plantain, place it in a pot and set to cook. Plantains are nutrient rich, which contributes to the fruit's many health benefits. They contain vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. Plantains are low in sugar, low in calories, high in vitamin C, boosts the immune system, it helps in digestion, and it may aid in blood sugar control. Right when I'm done with the plantains, I add my red habanero peppers as well, and then I go in with just a little bit of water and cover it to cook for about 15 minutes. After the set time, I get back and my plantains are cooked. Now into a fine pot, I add my red oil or my palm oil as we call it in Ghana, and then I'm going to let it preheat for a while. After about a minute, I go in with my diced wagashi or cheese curd. I'm going to fry this, and guys, the aroma is so nice. Mind you, I'm frying the wagashi on a medium-low heat. I just let it fry and then I get to check on my plantains at this point. I return to just take out my cheese curd or wagashi from the oil. It's well fried at this point, it's so crispy. So I do also take everything from the palm oil into a strainer to get the oil out of it, and then I just set aside. Now to my plantains, it is perfectly cooked, so I'm going to drain the water from it, and then we begin with the mashing process. Into my earthenware or asanka as we call it in Ghana, and my wooden masher, I'm going to just mash this plantain into an eto form. So I added just a little bit of the palm oil to the asanka, and then I added my plantain. I'm just going to do this bit by bit. So for starters, I added just 3 plantains, and then I'm just going to take my time to mash it properly. You don't need a lot of strength to do this. As you can see, it's already soft, so I just go in with the wooden masher and then do well to mash everything and make sure it mixes well with the palm oil. Eto is a food formulated by the Ga Adangbe or Ga tribe of Ghana for special occasions such as birthdays, twin festivals, outdoor naming ceremony, etc. But it is now widely observed by other tribes in Ghana. Trust me, eto is delicious. You can also use yam for it or plantain, whichever you prefer. Just use it and enjoy. Right when I'm done mashing it, as you can see, I'm going to set it aside and go ahead to repeat the process until I'm done with every plantain. As you can see from the video, I'm done mashing the second batch as well, so I set that aside. Now I'm going to mash our boiled red habaneros. I mash it until I have this very smooth paste without seeds in it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add onions as well to make it delicious and give it this nice taste. So I added the onions to the mashed habaneros. I added just a little bit of salt to taste, and I'm going to mash it properly. And it all comes together beautifully. At this point, I'm going to add my peanut butter. It is totally optional. If you do not like peanuts or peanut butter, you can skip this point, but I love it, and it gives it this nice taste. So I added my peanut butter, and I'm going to mix it all up with a wooden masher, or tapuli as we call it in Ghana. If you mix it all up thoroughly, you would have this paste. I then go in with my mashed plantain. I added it. It must all come together beautifully. So once again with my tapoli, I do well to mash it by mixing it all up. Every bite or every bit of it must have the mashed pepper with onions and peanut butter in order for you to enjoy it properly. It's coming together beautifully, and as you can see, we are almost through with our eto. I can say eto is a convenient meal. In less than 30 minutes, you should be done with your eto and you're going to enjoy it. So as you can see from the video, I'm going to garnish it, and I did so by adding my wagashi and some peanut and also my scallions or spring onion. I garnished it beautifully. I also added my avocados, some onions, and also some green bell peppers. And guys, go ahead and ask me what we are celebrating. I'm celebrating you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for always watching our beautiful videos. This eto is for you all. Bring your spoons and let's enjoy it together. Thank you for always watching our beautiful videos and for sharing as well. Thank you guys so much, and kindly subscribe if you haven't already. Do well to like as it helps the channel grow. Keep sharing this video, guys, and let others be a part of this beautiful channel. Let them know that vegetarian meals are not boring at all. And until I see my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye guys.